Morning children, this is your maths class. But first of all, how are you? Hope you all are fine in this morning. Okay children, see page number 109. We are doing page number 109 today. Yes, maths book. Take out your maths book, open page number 109. Yes, 109. Okay, hurry up. Now see what you have to do in this page. Question is, see the value of each object given in the box. Here is a box. See, here is a box children. Okay, and what we have to do? We have to check the price first. Okay, we will check the price, and first of all we will check the price, then we will see what we have to do. See, this is a racket and the price of the racket is 70. The price of balloon, see this balloon, the price of balloon is rupees 15. Now see the pencil, the price of this pencil is 20. Yes children, the price of this pencil is 20. See the chocolate. This is the chocolate and the price of this chocolate is rupees 4. Can you see children? The price of this chocolate is rupees 4. Now see the bat here. Can you see the bat? You play with bat now? Okay. The price of this bat is rupees 40. The price of this bat is rupees 40. Now see the candle. The price of this candle is rupees 3. The price of this candle is rupees 3. Okay. Now see the cap. It's a beautiful cap, isn't it? And see the price of this cap, rupees 10. The price of this cap is rupees 10. Now the ball. Here is a ball and the price of this ball is rupees 25. The price of this ball is rupees 25. Now see the pen. Here is a pen. Yes. And the price of this pen is rupees 35. The price of this pen is rupees 35 children. Have you seen? Rupees 35. Now see the cork. See the cork. The price of this cork is rupees 5. The price of this cork is rupees 5. Now see the doll. The price of this doll is rupees 50. The price of this doll is rupees 50. The price of this doll is rupees 50. Yes children? Okay. Once more, the price of this racket is rupees 70. Balloon rupees 15. Cork rupees 5. Pen rupees 35. Doll rupees 50. Now here pencil rupees 20. Chocolate rupees 4. Ball rupees 25. The ball is of rupees 25. Bat rupees 40. Bat rupees 40. Candle rupees 3. Candle rupees 3. Candle rupees 3. And hat rupees 10. Hat is of rupees 10. Clear children? We have seen all the prices of these items. Yes, what is the price of these items we have seen? Now come here in the question. Let's see what we have to do. Find out the total cost of each case. Find out the total cost of each case. These are the cases. See, here is first case. We will see the items and their prices and then we will add. Alright. See the first item. This is a chocolate. Can you see children? This is a chocolate. And chocolate is of rupees 4. See now? Chocolate is of rupees 4. So rupees 4 is written here. Okay. Rupees 4 is written here. Now see the candle. What is the price of the candle? See here. The price of candle is rupees 3. The price of candle is rupees 3. So here we will write rupees 3. Now we have to add both 4 and 3. Rupees 4 and 3 will make rupees 7. Total cost is of rupees 7. Understood children? Understood? समझ में आया? चलिए दूसरा वाला खुद करके देखते हैं. फर्स्ट तो आपके लिए किया हुआ था. देखिए यहाँ क्या है? डॉल है चिल्ड्रन. डॉल. ओके, हियर इज अ डॉल. और डॉल की प्राइस क्या थी? हम लोग यहाँ चेक करें. डॉल की प्राइस क्या है? सी हियर. डॉल की प्राइस क्या है? रुपीज 50. डॉल की प्राइस यही है ना? द कॉस्ट ऑफ डॉल इज रुपीज 50. यस. सो व्हाट विल बी राइट? क्या करेंगे हम? व्हाट विल बी राइट? व्हाट विल बी डू हियर? वी विल राइट रुपीज 50 हियर. हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? रुपीज 50. नाउ सी द कैप. नाउ सी द कैप. कैन यू सी द कैप चिल्ड्रन? आप देख रहे हैं कैप, और यहाँ देखिए कैप की क्या प्राइस है. सी हियर, व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ द कैप? रुपीज 10. कैप की प्राइस क्या है? व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ कैप? रुपीज 10. So what we will do? We will write here rupees 10. Now what we have to do? What we have to do children? We have to add. Let's add 0 and 0. 0 and 0 will make what? 0. Yes? Don't do all these things. आप ऐसा मत कीजिएगा children. ये मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए किया है. Okay? I did this to make you understand clearly. That's why I did all these lines and all. You don't do these things. Okay? आप ये मत कीजिएगा. मैंने सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए लाइंस बनाए हैं. आप क्लियर करेंगे. 0 और 0 क्या होगा? 0. और 5 और 1 क्या होगा? 5 में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 60. सो क्या आंसर बना? रुपीज 60. ये आंसर बना रुपीज 60. पहला का आंसर यही हुआ ना? ओके. अनदर थिंग. चलिए एक और केस देखते हैं. लेट्स सी अनदर केस. सी द रैकेट. हियर इज द रैकेट. यस, सी द रैकेट. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ द रैकेट? लेट्स चेक. द प्राइस ऑफ द रैकेट इज रुपीज 70. कैन यू सी? द प्राइस ऑफ द रैकेट इज रुपीज 70. यस चिल्ड्रन? rupees 70. So let's write rupees 70 here. हमने क्या लिख दिया यहाँ पे? रुपीज 70. रैकेट का प्राइस यही है ना? 70 रुपए का रैकेट है. 70. Now see the price of the cork. What is the price of the cork? Rupees 5. Yes, rupees 5. The price of the cork is rupees 5. So let's write rupees 5 here. Rupees 5. अब हम ऐड करेंगे. सी 0 में 5 को ऐड करेंगे तो क्या बनेगा चिल्ड्रन? 0 और 5 क्या होंगे? कैन यू टेल मी? कैन एनीवन टेल? 0 और 5 क्या होगा? 5. 0 और 5 क्या होगा? 5. ऑल राइट, हो गया? क्लियर? नाउ अब यहाँ सिर्फ 7 रह गया. 0 और 5 तो हमने ऐड कर लिया, तो अब सिर्फ यहाँ 7 रह गया. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? यही 7 नीचे आ जाएगा. यस, ठीक है ना? सो हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ 7 लिखेंगे. ये 7 नीचे आ गया. अब यहाँ रुपीज़ भी ऐड कर दीजिए. So answer is rupees 75. What is the answer children? What is the answer? See here. क्या आंसर है? रुपीज 75. Okay. Now last one. Let's see the last one. The last case. See here. This is a balloon. Yes. This is a balloon. Okay. And see the price of the balloon. The price of the balloon is rupees 15. The price of the balloon is what? Rupees 15. So we will write rupees 15 here. Yes. And now see the pencil. Now see the pencil. Can you see the pencil? Here, yes, the price of the pencil is rupees 20. See here, the price of the pencil is what? Rupees 20. Yes, can you see, children? Rupees, we will write here, rupees 20. Is it clear? 15, the price of balloon is rupees 15, and the price of pencil is rupees 20. Now let's add 5 and 0. We'll make a 5 here. Yes, 5 and 0, 5, and 1 and 2, what? 1 and 2, 3. It is 35. Okay, it is what? 35. All right. Rupees 35 will be the answer. Yes, children. Rupees 35 will be the answer. So hope it is all clear to you. Yes, we have made this page 109 completed. So as I have instructed you to do it by yourself only. Don't see my answers. All right, you do it by yourself. Okay, you know the addition. So try to do this. Okay, children. All right. Thank you.